Hey guys, it's XayLi Barclay of XayLiBarclay.com, and today I am actually going to show you two things. So I'm going to talk about two things today. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is the the audio-technica ATR 2100 microphone. So I got this from Amazon. It's a really amazing microphone. I heard that it's better. I did a lot of research, and so if you're starting a podcast, or even if you're looking for a microphone for your video content, you're a coach, you're an online course creator, you are, working online, creating digital products, whatever it is that you're doing, creating courses, I'm in love with that. This is a really great microphone. It's really affordable as well. I paid $80 for it on Amazon, and I did a lot of research. I was looking into getting probably your Yetis or your Blue Snowballs, or those things, but I decided to go with this because I heard that this was better than those, and I feel like I do like the quality of my audio. Now, with that said, I want to also show you how I record inside of my program. So I'm using Final Cut Pro. I actually have a laptop in front of me this way and my iMac in front of me this way. So I'm going to show you how I record inside of Final Cut Pro so I don't have to import my audio. So I'm actually filming this way. The camera is over there in front of me. I'm looking at you, and my audio is going directly into Final Cut Pro. So I'll show you how I do that. So inside of Final Cut Pro, what I am going to do is, I have it up already, but let me just exit so I can show you what I am doing. I created a new project. So you want to head here, create new project, type in the project, and I have ATR 2100 review, which is what I'm doing right now. So what you want to make sure that you do is you head over to Window and record voiceover. When you hit record voiceover, you're able to obviously label it so that you don't forget what it is that you're recording. I'm going to put ATR review part 2, right? And you plug your microphone into a USB port and it's live, it's working. You don't have to do anything else. So that is really cool as well. And what you would have to do is hit advanced. So advanced is not open when you get into the program, so you want to expand that. And I tested a few things well. I tested this is for Zoom because I use Zoom a lot, but I tested built-in microphone, which is my computer's microphone, and it sounded horrible. And I also tested both mono channels, and I feel like stereo gave me the best sound. So I guess that's channel 1 and 2. Now, this is coming from someone who is not super techie when it comes to audio. So this was I really enjoyed being able to just navigate through this easily. And I thought, why not share something for, the people out there who figure, well, hey, they're not into all sorts of fancy or audio either, or sound either. So this is a pretty easy tutorial. So you'll see stereo pop up. So you choose that one. And then what you do is just hit record. Now, once you hit record, what you will do is you will start recording, and I have an additional video on how I set up my videos to be recorded. So you want to make sure that I'll actually put that in the description box down below, but I'll also be sure to plug it above on a card as well. So what you want to do is you start running your camera separately, of course, and then in here you're recording with your microphone plugged into directly to your iMac, to your computer. And so what you do is you hit the record button, and when you hit that record button, you have your countdown. Now, with your countdown, what would happen is that you would start seeing your recording happening, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use my camera's audio. When I import whatever it is that I'm doing, I'm going to make sure that I just put it over the audio itself. I have a video on how to match your audio. So you can be sure to, I'm just going to stop this. You can be sure to check that out as well. It is exactly how I import my video and match it with my audio as well. So I hope this is helpful to someone. I will also link this microphone down below. It's pretty affordable. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get, some good quality sound for your video content. And listen, if you like this video, definitely subscribe. If you like what you see when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And definitely be sure to join my private Facebook group for people who are creating video content and would like to grow their audience even more through creating specific, strategic, smart video content, especially for, that person that you want to attract. That one person, you're going to attract lots of people. So I definitely share tips and tricks on how to do that. I share live videos, master classes, and a lot of great stuff inside of my Facebook group. So I'll link that down below as well. And please like, share, and comment. Yeah. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Thank you so much for tuning in.